default account assignment for profit centers and the cost center through the cost element. In ECC, this was an optional step because there was a cost element master data was separately maintained. But in HANA, the cost element master data is maintained as a GL account. So for that purpose, in HANA, the default account assignment is mandatory for the profit center and the cost center. So let's do this. This is a very short video. Be with me and let's get into the SAP system. Yeah, now we are in SAP system. We can run the T code OKB9. This is a very small step, very simple transaction we need to carry out in this application. So run the transaction OKB9, press enter. This will get you to the table. Here we need to make the assignment with the company code and the cost center and the cost element. So to do that, let us get into the new entries. Click on the new entries. Now put your company code, that is PUS1. Cost element is 4 lakh. In the previous video, I have shown you how we have created the cost element and that step. If you have not yet completed that step, please check out my previous video to know about how to create the cost element. So once you complete the configuration or the creation of the cost element, then only you can make this setting. Otherwise, the system will lead you to inconsistencies. So to avoid inconsistencies, first define the cost element and then come to the assignment in OKB9. Now, once the cost element is assigned here, give your cost center, that is 1 PPUS, 1 PUS1, 1 RM01. Yeah. Now I am making it for only one cost center because in future, while running the sourcing and procurement transactions, we are going to use only one cost center. So one cost center assignment is enough. So no need to worry about the rest of the cost center. If you want to continue with the or have a rest of the cost center assigned with the cost elements, then we need that many number of cost element to be created using the transaction code FS00. Again, you can refer to my previous video how to create the cost element through the GL account. Yeah, that's it. There is a field called profit center. Here, no need to give any profit center details because the cost center is already assigned to the profit center. In my previous video, you would have observed while creating a cost center, there was a component called profit center as well. We have assigned the profit center in OKEON transaction itself while creating a cost center. So the cost center through the cost center the system determines the profit center, so no need to maintain any profit center in this table. And one more thing, in a company, say in a company in a business environment, there is a requirement that particular cost center to be defaulted with another profit center which is not maintained in the OKEON application, then we can do that here. So that is the purpose of this field. That's it. Once we complete this particular data entry, you can just save it. Yeah, that's it. The data has been saved and come back. Now you need to check the table. Give the company code, that is PUS1. See, you have this table ready. With this, we have completed the default assignment for cost center and the profit center through the cost element. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for further videos.